Morning, Hays County. I just wanted to do a short video to walk you through this new website. I don't know about y'all, but I think there was some serious confusion when these postcards went out this weekend, and so I wanted to try and clear that up. These postcards the postcards and the website are both something new that the Texas legislature put into place. And this is for counties of 200,000 or more. And what this is going to do is basically just talk to you about estimates of taxes. It's going to look at different rates that my office calculates. I received my postcard this Saturday. It looked like this. It has a new website on it, and we'll explore that together. You go to hays.countytaxrates. Make sure you don't put in the www, that got me. And then from here, there's a home page that you'll put in either your last name, your address, or your quick reference ID. That's the number that starts with an R. When you find the property you're looking for, you'll click View. And what you'll see here is a layout of several different rates and several different estimates down at the bottom. So this is going to tell you what you paid last year in taxes for 2019. This is going to tell you what the estimate of taxes would be if each of your jurisdictions adopts the no new revenue rate. And that is the rate that I calculate that would get the taxing unit about the same amount of revenue as they had last year if we tax both properties taxable in both years. So the next rate that you're going to get an estimate on is the voter approval rate. And that rate is the highest rate that the taxing jurisdictions can adopt without going to you, the voters, to ask for approval. This rate right here is the proposed tax rate, and this whole website is going to be fluid, so I'm updating this as I get current information from the taxing units. This proposed column right here, when it is all in, when all of the entities have proposed a rate, is going to be the closest and most accurate to what you can expect for an actual bill in October. So once this is filled in, this is what you'll really want to be looking at. And then later down the line, once all the rates are adopted, this will be populated. And this last figure is the difference between the no new revenue and the proposed tax rate for 2020. And that's really just going to tell you if your taxes are going to go up or down. So if you scroll down, you've got some definitions of the new rates that the legislature adopted. You've got the same rate information but in chart form. You have got, now also this is going to be fluid, so as notices of public meetings to discuss tax rates and to vote on tax rates become available, I will put these up on the website. And this is really your chance as involved citizens to go to these meetings and make your voice heard. If you don't agree with the budget, if you don't agree with the rate they're going to adopt to meet that budget, this is your time to get involved. Keep scrolling down and you'll get to taxable values, and this is just what the taxable value and the exemptions are for each different entity that you pay tax to. And last but not least is public feedback. So this is where your voice also gets to be heard. You get to give your opinion whether you support or do not support the rate that your entities are proposing. And at the very bottom, you'll see the contact information for all of the taxing units that you specifically pay tax to where you live. So it's a really good website. It's got great information. The postcards did cause a lot of confusion. They didn't have a lot of detail, but again, they were put in place by the legislature and they had to have certain verbiage on them. So I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please call me directly. I'm at 512-393-5508.